In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for n8n for free using the current sign-up screen. If you're new to it, n8n is a powerful automation platform that lets you connect apps and build workflows with little to no code. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your account created and be ready to explore. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to n8n.io. Any modern browser will work fine, and using the latest version helps avoid display issues. Give the page a moment to load so all buttons and forms render correctly. On the home page, look for the button labeled Get Started for Free. It's typically visible near the top of the page. Click that to begin. If the site design has been refreshed since you're watching this, the wording may be slightly different, but it will point you toward the free sign-up flow. You'll be taken to a page that says, Start automating today. On this screen, click into the company email field. That's simply the email field for your account. Once the cursor is active, type your email address carefully. Make sure there are no spaces, and that you've included the full address with the correct domain. A quick double check here can save you from having to fix typos later. After you've entered your email, click Submit. If the form highlights an error, review the email format and try again. It's also a good idea to ensure you have access to the inbox for the email you used, since the next steps may involve messages sent there. From here, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your account setup. The prompts may guide you through confirming your email, adding basic profile details, choosing a secure password, or naming a workspace. Just proceed step by step with whatever appears on your screen. If you're asked for preferences or intended use, answer honestly to get a smoother onboarding experience. When creating a password, pick something strong and unique. If a verification email is part of the flow, open it promptly and use the link provided to continue. Once you've completed the guided steps, you should land in your n8n account, ready to start building automations. Take a moment to look around the interface and consider bookmarking the site so you can return quickly. That's all there is to it. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.